Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Console on, adult Microsoft account signed in, and controller connected. First, press the Xbox button to open Guide, then go to Profile and System. Once there, select Settings followed by Account. This path gives you access to family and privacy controls. Make sure you use the adult account that created the family group. Otherwise, you won't see parental settings to change. If you use the Xbox mobile app, open it and sign in to the same adult account first. Now you move into changing the restrictions. You navigate to Family Settings on the console or Family. Microsoft. Com in a browser. Select the specific child account to edit, then adjust screen time, content restrictions, and privacy. To remove a restriction, toggle off the limit or select Remove for a rule. If you prefer, choose Remove from Family to fully detach that account. Note that doing so transfers control and may require the child to have their own adult. Finish by confirming changes. Restart the Xbox so all permissions refresh and sign the child out, then back in. If limits persist, verify you edited the correct account and that the adult account has parent permissions. On rare occasions, sync or network issues block updates. In that case, retry in 5-10 minutes or use Family. Microsoft. Com to force changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if you cannot remove limits, check whether the account is a child Microsoft account requiring age verification. Resolve that before removing parental controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.